French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be doing another Monster Jam monster truck, and we're going to be building Zombie here. And this is what it looks like. And this is the first of these monster trucks I've had to build where I actually don't have a toy of it to look at while I build it. So this one was done all off pictures, but I think it still turned out okay. So let's get right into it. So the first step is to come up in front of wherever you want the front center of your truck to be and put a temporary block. Then on this upper hitbox, we're going to do a line of 8 mangrove trapdoors coming up the middle. Take off this temporary block. Then on top of each end, put a chiseled polished black stone block. Then a polished black stone slab on top of each of those. Then on either side of the top, put a polished black stone slab on each end like this. Then take polished black stone brick blocks for the bottoms of the tires. 1 block over from where this slab is on the bottom, put 2 on each one. Same thing on this side, 2 here and 2 here. Then we'll take polished black stone brick stairs, 2 upside down facing forward here and here. And then same thing for these wheels. Then we'll turn around and base 2 stairs the other way on all 4 of these, upside down. Now come through and put a sideways light gray shulker boxes on the middle of all 4 of these wheels. And I missed these 2 stairs, so I had to place them. Then on this layer, we're going to put 2 polished black stone brick blocks on either side of these shulker boxes for all 4 wheels. Then go back to stairs and put 2 stairs facing this way on all of these. Then turn around, 2 stairs facing this way on the fronts of them. And then finally fill this top gap with 2 polished black stone brick blocks on all 4 wheels. Then right here we'll put 3 mangrove trapdoors across here. And we'll do the same thing at the other end. 3 trapdoors across here. Now come up in here, we're going to put 2 sideways lightning rods, 2 netherite blocks, turn around, and 2 sideways lightning rods here. Then 2 levers going up on either side of these netherites. Then we're going to come and stand on whichever end the rear end of the truck's going to be. Above the netherite, put 2 blast furnaces, a smoker, and a hopper. Then we need to take out chains here. And we're going to crouch and put a chain vertical on either side of these trapdoors back here. The same thing up here, a chain on each side up here. Then we're going to take out nether brick vents, start right here on the side, and bring it back to the middle of the back wheel. Then do the same thing on this side, a full row of nether brick fences up here. Then take out polished deep slate wall, come underneath here, and put a single wall right here, and then 1 on this side right here. Now come on this front middle, put 2 cobblestone blocks here. On the front of it, an end stone brick stair, and wrap a stair around each side for the zombie teeth. Under it, we'll put 3 end stone brick slabs. Then behind this on each side, an upside down, backward facing, cobblestone stair. Then we'll put another cobblestone in the middle and 2 cobblestone slabs on the upper hitbox of either side. Then, behind this, we'll put another warp block on each side, leaving the middle open. Then behind that, we'll do 2 blocks of andesite coming back on each side. Then come up in here, put a dark oak fence gate across here. Behind that, put a forward-facing stair for a seat. Then come back here, stand on here, crouch. We're going to put 2 anvils here, 2 iron trapdoors on top of them for the top of the engine. Then 2 nether brick fences in the center here, and a yellow terracotta on each side. Then across here, we're going to put 3 black stained glass blocks. And then in this middle gap, 3 iron trapdoors across here. Come down to the back, take out andesite stair and an upside down stair facing backward on either side. Then 2 red nether brick slabs on each side. And then at the very back, we need 3 upside down forward facing andesite stairs across the back. Then up here, we're going to put a dark oak fence gate on each side, and then come down and around the back with stone pressure plates like this. Then we'll come up here. Now we'll do the zombie face. So on the center up here, a polished black stone button, red stone on either side of it. Then an item frame here and here with red stone blocks. Then red stone in the center between the eyes. Then red stone on each side above the eyes. Then up here, we're going to put 2 pink carpet on either side like this. And we'll fill the rest of this top with light gray carpet. Now we'll do the zombie arms. So right here, put 2 andesite walls coming out to the side, then 2 coming forward. Do the same thing on this side, 2 out to the side, 2 forward. And for the hands, we'll open a spruce fence gate on each one. Now take an oak sign right here, and we're going to put ZOM, then a sign with BIE. Hit those with red dye and a glow ink sac. Then come on the middle of the back, another oak sign, and we'll put zombie on it, all capital letters. Hit that with red dye and a glow ink sac. Then we'll come to this side, a sign here with ZOM, and a sign next to it with BIE. Hit those with red dye and a glow ink sac. Then we're going to take out crimson sign, put 1 here, 1 here. Same thing over here, 1 here, 1 here. Then we're going to grab mangrove buttons, and on either side of the back, put a button. Now there's some hair on the top of the truck, so put 2 temporary blocks here, and put 2 oak fence gates up there. Same thing here, 2 temporary blocks, 2 oak fence gates. Then we can come through and open all the fence gates. You can leave this off if you don't like the look of it. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our zombie Monster Jam monster truck. I hope you enjoyed the build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.